Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 9 Host Assessment Ticket Sale. Go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Exp19 Excel Chapter 9 Host Assessment Ticket Sale. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So we can move to the question number one. So question number one is start Excel download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 9 host assessment ticker sale. XLS grader has automatically added you last time to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So step number one is complete. We can move to the step number two. So step number two is the first column in the Friday worksheet contains cell with the different font color and a level of indentation you want to the fill this formatting across the Saturday to Sunday worksheet. Group the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Fill the formatting for the range A5 to A20. Group the worksheet Friday to Sunday worksheet. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the Friday worksheet to Sunday worksheet. Fill the formatting from the ranges A5 to A20. Copy the range and paste the range and selected range A5 to 20 and fill the formatting from the range. Go to the home tab and go to the editing group, click a fill, click across worksheet and fill across worksheet is a format. Click OK. So step number two is complete. We can move to the step number three. So step number three is you notice that a formula is missing on three worksheet. You will insert the formula with the worksheet is still grouped in a cell E21. Enter a formula, subtract the grand total percentage sold from a 1 and apply the board to cell and ungroup the worksheet. Group the worksheet is still Friday, Saturday and Sunday and cell is a E21. Selected cell is E21. Enter a formula, subtract grand total percentage sold from 1. Type is equal to 1 minus D21. Type is equal to 1 minus, sorry, minus G21. Press enter. E21 Sunday E21. Enter a formula, subtract grand total percentage sold from 1 and apply the bold to the cell style. Apply a bold and ungroup the worksheet. Right click and click the ungroup worksheet. So step number 3 is complete. We can move to the step number 4. So step number 4 is the total worksheet contains a summary data. You will insert a hyperlink to number of sheets showed each respective worksheet. On the total worksheet in the cell A5, insert a hyperlink to cell C21. Friday worksheet with the screen tip is text is a Friday. On the total worksheet, go to the total worksheet and in the cell A5 insert a hyperlink. Selected cell is A5. Insert a hyperlink to cell C21 Friday worksheet. Screen tip is text is Friday. Go to the insert tab. Click a link. Friday worksheet is C21. Place in this document. Click a Friday worksheet. And selected cell is C21. Type the cell reference is C21. Type the cell reference is C21. Friday worksheet is screen tip is a Friday. Go to the screen tip and screen tip text is a Friday. Click OK and again OK. In the cell A6, insert a hyperlink to cell C21. In the Saturday worksheet with the screen tip text is Saturday. Go to the cell A6. Insert a hyperlink C21 Saturday worksheet on the screen tip is Saturday. Go to the insert tab and go to the link. Type the cell reference is C21. And Saturday worksheet is screen tip is text is Saturday. Type the Saturday. Selected is the cell reference is cell Saturday. Go to the screen tip and screen tip text is Saturday. Click OK and again OK. In the cell A7, insert a hyperlink to cell C21 Sunday worksheet with the screen tip text is Sunday. So selected cell is A7. Insert the hyperlink in the cell C21 Sunday worksheet with the screen tip text is Sunday. Select the cell is A7. Select insert tab and click cell reference is Sunday. Type the cell reference is C21. Sunday worksheet and screen tip is Sunday. And go to the screen tip and screen tip text is a Sunday. Click OK and again OK. Test the hyperlink to ensure the work is correctly. Click the Friday. Go to the Friday worksheet is C21. Go to the total worksheet and click the Saturday worksheet. Go to the Saturday and selected cell is C21. Next is Sunday. Go to the Sunday worksheet and selected cell is C21. So step number 4 is complete. We can move to the step number 5. So step number 5 is now you are ready to insert a formula with a reference to the number of seats sold for a Friday's performance. In a cell B5, insert a formula with a 3D reference to cell C21 in the Friday worksheet. Go to the Friday worksheet. Total worksheet. Insert a formula 3D reference in the cell C21 to in the Friday worksheet. Selected cell is B5 and insert a formula 3D reference. Type is equal to and Friday worksheet is C21. Go to the Friday worksheet and selected cell is C21. Press enter button. Step number 5 is complete. We can move to the step number 6. So step number 6 is now you are ready to insert a formula with the reference to the number of seats sold for Saturday performance. In a cell B6, insert a formula with the 3D reference to cell C21 in the Saturday worksheet. Selected cell is B6. Insert a formula 3D reference in a cell C21 in the Saturday worksheet. Type is equal to and insert a formula 3D reference is C20 Saturday worksheet. Go to the Saturday worksheet and selected cell is C21. Press enter button. So step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. So step number 7 is now you are ready to insert a formula with the reference to the number of seats sold for a Sunday performance. In a cell B7, insert a formula 3D reference to the cell C21 in the Sunday worksheet. Insert a formula B7. Selected cell is B7. Insert the 3D reference in the cell C21 in the Sunday worksheet. Type is equal to and go to the Sunday worksheet. Sunday worksheet in C21. Selected cell is C21. Seat sold. Press enter button. So step number 7 is complete. We can move to the step number 8. So step number 8 is the next section of the total worksheet designed to display the total gross revenue by section. In the cell B11, insert the sum function with the 3D reference to calculate the total Archer font gross revenue in the cell G9 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. In selected cell is go to the Excel worksheet and cell is B11. Insert the sum function, calculate the Archer font is gross revenue G9 Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Type is equal to cell G9. Go to the Friday worksheet and selected cell is G9. Friday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet and selected the cell is G9. Press enter. Type is equal to and type a sum function. B12 type is equal to and type a sum function. Go to the Friday worksheet and gross revenue G9. Press enter. Step number 8 is a complete. We can move to the step number 9. So step number 9 is that you are ready to insert a function to calculate the total or step back gross revenue. In a cell B12, insert the sum function with the 3D reference to calculate the total or step back gross revenue. Cell G14 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. The B12 selected cell is equal to and some function selected cell is G14. Press enter.